This is the first of a 3-part video series that walks you through the basics of comparing and viewing differences between two models using the LemonTree integration with Tortoise SVN. Being able to see what has changed in previous versions of the model is one of the most common requirements in a development lifecycle. In order to give you a great overview of the changes, LemonTree uses a fine-grained 3-way diffing algorithm that allows a precise comparison between two models in order to better understand the reasons behind the changes causing conflicts. In this video, I will show you the LemonTree integration with Tortoise SVN, where in this case, LemonTree acts as the external diff program of Tortoise, which is automatically used for viewing differences of your EAP files. Now, let's see how to do it. Often you want to look inside your models to have a look at what you or your colleagues have changed. You can accomplish this by selecting an EAP file which has changed and selecting diff from Tortoise SVN's context menu. This starts LemonTree, which will then compare the current file with the base version which was stored after the last checkout or update. You might want to look at the differences between two model versions or the differences between two separate EAP files. Guess what? You can simply use all the diffing options what Tortoise is capable of. Before we get into the features in LemonTree, I thought it would be helpful to give you a general overview of the different parts of the interface. Let's start with the impacted elements. This list of impacted elements will give you an overview of the changes made to the elements, where you can quickly see what kind of changes have been made, including possible conflicts. In addition, if your list includes a lot of items, by using the filter capabilities, you can easily find your element of your interest. By selecting an element in the Impacted Elements section, you can see the changes in the context of the two versions in the comparison report. In case of comparing your changes to the changes made by others, you will see yours on the right and theirs on the left. Particular changes are differentiated by color as follows. Removed elements are marked in red, newly created in green and modified in orange. Changes to the diagrams are also displayed in the context of the model element in the particular modeling language notation in the diagrams below. Navigation between the model elements and diagram elements has never been easier. Just simply select an element either from the model or from a diagram and you will be navigated to the respective location. Changes made to the diagrams are also displayed in a separate list, Impacted Diagrams, to quickly see the changes in a visual context. You see, LemonTree provides simple and intuitive user interface to display the changes and conflicts in model versions. That about does it for the overview of the user interface for model comparison. The next tutorial of this series will show you how to resolve conflicts and merge your models. If you find this tool helpful, don't hesitate to request a test version or feel free to schedule a web demo with us.